Hello, welcome to Empowering SMEs. Want to get a shark's advice? Are you frustrated with the way your business is operating? Does your team understand the vision that you have as to where you wish to take your business? Are you worried about your sales team's performance? Do they understand selling? Are they doing the best job to sell your products or services to your customers? Does your business have an effective workplace health and safety system and human resources system? Are you receiving regular incident reports? Does your business employ casuals? If so, are you aware of the recent federal court decision relative to payments being made to casuals, which could have implications for thousands of businesses around Australia? If any of these issues and a range of other issues concern you, why not join Shark Tank's Dr. Glenn Richards and the former chair of Green Cross Limited, Andrew Geddes, at a 2-day intensive workshop, Scaling Up Masters workshop in Sydney on the 25th and 26th of October. You'll be able to get full details and register if you go to www.ESMEs024.com.au and click on Scaling Up Masters Workshop. Perhaps selling's your problem. If so, the sales factor written by Trevor Marchant could be the answer. You can get details at www.ESSmallbusiness.com. Click on the sales factor. If you have concerns about payments to casuals and workplace health and safety and human resources issues in general, and every business director should be very much aware of the necessity for good systems to be installed for these two very important items, you can obtain further information that's been written by Jordan Lowry, the Managing Director of Blackstone Business Group, by going to www.ESSmallbusiness.com.au and clicking onto Workplace Health and Safety and Human Resources Manuals. What all of this is highlighting is the need for company directors and committee members of organisations to be aware of a whole range of issues that confront businesses and organisations. This will be very important to you if you are contemplating attempting to raise capital as a crowdsourced funding company. So why not have a good look at the Corporate Governance Network program? The next live webinar is being presented on Monday, 22nd of October at 11:30 a.m. AEST, with the recording of that webinar available by about the 30th of October for subscribers. You can find full details at www.ESSmallbusiness.com.au. Click on Corporate Governance Network. If you have any other questions, please send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au, or telephone me on 1800 232 088. Have a great day. Goodbye.